Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious sea moss drink without any milk, using an easy method. First, it is crucial to thoroughly clean your raw sea moss. Rinse it under cool water to remove any sand or ocean debris. Then, take about 1 cup of cleaned sea moss and soak it in 4 cups of filtered water for a minimum of 6 hours, or even overnight. You will notice it expands considerably, becoming soft and gelatinous. Now that your sea moss is beautifully rehydrated, it is time to transform it into a gel. Carefully drain the soaked sea moss, but remember to save a little bit of that soaking water, just in case. Transfer the softened sea moss into your blender. Add about 1 cup of fresh, filtered water. Blend on high until you achieve a perfectly smooth and consistent gel. If it is too thick, simply add a splash more water. With your sea moss gel ready, let us talk about making your drink incredibly tasty. Since we are skipping milk, you have many delicious options for your liquid base. Consider using refreshing coconut water, your favorite fruit juice, or even plain filtered water. For sweetness, natural choices like agave nectar or maple syrup work wonderfully. Do not forget to add fresh fruits, perhaps 1 cup of mango or pineapple, for a burst of natural flavor. Finally, it is time to bring everything together for your delightful sea moss drink. In your blender, combine about 1/4 cup of your prepared sea moss gel with 1 cup of your chosen liquid base. Now, add in all your selected fresh fruits and natural sweeteners. Blend everything until it is perfectly smooth and creamy. Pour your nutritious drink into a glass and enjoy this easy, healthy, and delicious beverage right away.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.